What's up guys, it's ADB and today we'll see which type of road vehicles can be used in model railroading. Since I have got an Agio scale model railroad or 187 scale, we can use slightly bigger scale such as 164 scale. We will see an example of several vehicles from Hot Wheels and German producer Siku. And this will be Hot Wheels. This is Hot Wheels Flame Collection. Number 10 is 65 Ford Galaxy. Number 9 Custom Ford Maverick. Number 8 Dodge Charger 500. Number 7 is Ford Falcon XB. Number 6 Dodge Charger 71. I wasn't able to get number 5. Number 4 67 Camaro. Number 3 64 Chevy Nova. Number 2 Plymouth Fury. And number 1 49 Merc. Now we will pull them out of the box and see how they look. Now they are out of the box and they look pretty damn cool. Now we will see Siku model vehicles. Now the first one is BMW 545e with flatbed trailer. Second one is also BMW 545 with camper. The next one is snowplow. Then trash truck. Another trash truck. The other one is corn harvester. The other one is MAN city bus. Next one is Mercedes-Benz truck with flatbed with harvester. The next one is Scania with depressed well flatbed with front loader. So the next one is Aral tanker. With MAN. After that is also MAN, but with flatbed for 3 stumps. And for the last, there are tractors. This is a Dutz Far Agrotron with N hanger. The other one is John Deere 7530 with lumber loader. The other one is Massey Ferguson 9240. And for last one, this is Kipper truck. It can lift, open. The trailer also can open and lift. You can put it back down, close it, trailer also. And that's it. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. For more information, go to Eddie B. Railroader YouTube channel.